Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. That's right, we're headed to another event. This time it's Toys for Tots down in southern Minnesota. And we got to stop and get fuel and then drive about 2.5 hours to get there.
Yep.
And it's kind of cold out, but not too bad. And the fall colors, well,
They're happening.
they're happening, yep. Well, we got to put fuel in. Okay, we're on our way. We got Abby, Jemmy, and Mara with us.
Hey guys.
So, we're on our way.
You're going to a doggy babysitter.
And the St. Croix River is the border between Minnesota and Wisconsin. And there's lots of people coming up to take a look at the colors. Well, that was the beautiful town of Taylor's Falls. I forget what kind of tourist area this is. I forget that the Interstate Park and the Gorge and all of that are such a tourist attraction. I just take it for granted because I've lived here all my life. There's actually quite a bit of history in this little river valley here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the terminus of the last ice age was right here in St. Croix Falls. And the gorge is, you know, the river cut the gorge and created the potholes.
Right.
Yeah, one of the geological wonders of the world. There's very few places in this world, if any others, where you can see potholes.
And sometimes get in them.
Yeah. They're big enough. Some of them are big enough to climb into. And then they had the largest log jam of the world here during the logging days in the St. Croix River.
Like, what, 1913?
I don't know what year it was. I take it for granted. I grew up there just, 10 minutes from the river. On the backside of the Interstate Park in Wisconsin. I used to walk down to the river all the time.
You used to ride horses down there too.
Yeah, we used to ride horses down there. I used to go down there and jump off the rocks all the time, which is illegal now.
Naughty.
Yeah. It wasn't illegal back then.
Well, it's dangerous.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it is. You could have hit your head on a rock and became hurt or dead, or you were naughty.
I knew where I was jumping. Yeah, it's a very, very beautiful place. Lots of people come out of the cities and for the weekend and check it out. It's actually really cool.
It's not even just for the summer either. They do that winter walk too with the candles in the winter.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's lots of stuff going on in the park all the time.
Yeah, they just celebrated their birthday.
Did they really?
Yeah, it was on Facebook. They had a cake and everything, and different booths were set up and everything to talk about it.
No, I didn't even know that.
I do.
I don't.
I like history. I just found the post that I was talking about. It was 4 weeks ago. They celebrated their 125th anniversary of Wisconsin State Parks at Wisconsin Interstate Park.
Wow, that's impressive.
That is amazing. Hey, did you know they just redid the roof on one of the shelters that was caught fire?
Oh yeah, I was kind of disappointed when that caught fire. I was hoping they were going to rebuild it.
They did.
Because those were built and developed. Everything in the park was developed during the CCC reconstruction period.
Yeah, or they had workers come and build stuff.
Yeah, so if you want to see a little bit more of the Interstate Park, drop a comment. Okay, now we got to get to Toys for Tots.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. So we are registered, and now we got to find a place to camp. Well, we're down here at Toys for Tots. And we were playing around, and we got a call.
Did you lose the ring of that? Is that what it is?
The groove is no good.
I haven't had that bottle for like 3 years, so I'm not 100% sure how much that. There you go. I have 2 bottles of WD-40.
Look at it. Coming out to it. It's gonna do it on its own. That's twice you've hooked to my trucks.
That means you gotta buy merch.
We always buy stuff from you. Hold on to that. We might need that.
You gotta get one of Eric's stickers. One on your truck.
I'm a sticker, but it's got my merch.
Anybody got a core remover? Got a core remover tool?
What do you need?
Core remover tool?
I got that.
Let's clean the mud out of it.
What do you need to put them out of?
What the hell do you need that for?
Oh yeah, this stuff's got a lock on it. The other one's got a spool. Jumper cable.
We'll get to some air. Not a lot. You're at
Force in it.
Well, we couldn't get the bead seat, but he's got a spare. Well, that didn't take long, and now he's going to go back to camp and fix his bogger. Well, we got 2 of them stuck down in the mud here. I think one of them's broke. So we're going to head down there and see what's going on. The guy in the white Dodge, he needs a little help. So we're going to try and help him out.
Oh my god, this is gonna be a bad idea. Oh my. Oh my. Whee. Oh, it's a little. Oh, gross. Yikes. So you lost your front 4-wheel?
Yeah, I love 4-wheel drive.
You were putting on a show though.
Yeah. Hit the wall a little hard.
Well, he bumped you really hard and denting your rear end.
Oh, yeah.
Are you guys brothers, friends?
All a friend.
Just friends?
Yeah, we just kind of bought the trucks to meet him up.
That's awesome.
We got this one and then the 2 F-150s over there.
Oh, okay. That's awesome. I'm guessing you have no tow points.
I got one over here, that's it.
Ah.
Got shaft on the bitch. You got enough, it's a straight, actually, you probably have that.
Yeah. I don't want to get that dirty, but if you
I can
want
get
to.
under there.
So, this is a
Yankum soft shackle from
Soft
Yankum
shackle.
Ropes.
goes like that.
Alright, yep. And then it pulls itself up.
But you gotta
Yep.
pull it into this first,
You need to put it through here too.
Alright.
which is another Yankum kinetic rope.
Want to get in?
So that is our business card. It's stuck, it's got a number, and we do sell merch. We have sweatshirts, t-shirts, hats, everything. So, thank you. Yeah, thank you for letting us film it.
Well, that was pretty easy. He's still broken. He's in two-wheel drive. We'll probably have to haul him out eventually. So, we got a call to go get...
A friend of ours.
Yeah, and it looks like they're right up here.
Oh, big hole. Hi, Ben.
You want to go backwards or forward? Ben, you want to go forward?
Yeah, probably.
All right.
Brandon, watch out. Brandon.
one for the Yankum rope. Well, that's it for this video. Join us for more fun in the mud at Toys for Tots in our next video. Thanks for watching. BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Be safe out there. And maybe we'll see you in the woods.